What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a wheel bearing in your ATV, what the symptoms are, what it looks like on a bad wheel bearing, and how to replace it with a new one and get you rolling again. So let's get to it. Alright, so first you want to jack up your ATV. You can do this in all four corners. And you'll go around to the tires and see if there's any play in them, any wiggle. This one here we can see quite a bit of wiggle. So that is a definite sign that that is a bad wheel bearing, or maybe something else in there that's bad. This one about the same. All these three here are about the same. So let's start with this tire here. We've got it jacked up. We want to get it back on the ground so we can break the lug nuts. Alright, once we have the lug nuts off, we can pull this wheel off. We'll just jack it back up, pull the wheel off, and we can get down to the hub. Alright, once we have the hub off, we just have this snap ring in here. So we're going to pull that out. And now we can get to the bearing here. Alright, next we're going to put this on the press and we're going to punch out that old bearing. And I just use an old socket that'll fit the bearing on the inside there. And that will press it out. Alright, now once we got the old bearing out, I'm going to get the new one started in the hub. And then I'm going to press that down. This is the best tip I've got for this. If you have an old bearing, that's the exact size to press in the new bearing. So I just slip that on. And then I've got this plate of metal so I get even pressure on the bearing. Alright, now we've got this all cleaned up. We can put our snap ring back in here. And with our snap ring back in, we can just slip this back over the axle. I like to have all the parts clean when I put them back together. Stick our hub back on the axle here. Alright, so that is how to replace the wheel bearing in your ATV. Hope that video helps. Be sure to like down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.